this Pimera boiler. I guess that's how you pronounce it. I was here before a while back, and these guys were locking out an ignition lockout. And the issue I found at that time was the hot surface igniters weren't getting the. I was over amping on them. This module is a current sensing module. It has to sense the proper current before it goes into ignition. And I was reading somewhere around 6 amps, and I'm supposed to get somewhere in the ranges of 3.7, under 5 amps for sure. And then the hot surface igniters, if you're taking an ohm reading, you should be at somewhere at 25 to 75 ohms. And here, I'm back here again. And she's going into, it's locking out on me. Took off the burner assembly. And I don't know if you guys can see down there, but there's a little screen. It's pretty much clogged up. Took this guy apart. So I'm gonna see what's going on. I'm gonna open this up and get into it. If that's clogged, you know, your pressure switches won't close, and I'm not even sure if it's negative or positive pressure on that pressure switch. But I know that she's clogged, so I gotta take her apart. So let me take her apart. So I'm gonna remove this union so I can take off this entire assembly here, so I can get to that strainer. Okay. Now it should be closed. Shut this off for a second. Show you the inside of this boiler. Really compact boiler. Not a big fan of it. It's just so tight, everything. So I'm gonna take off this. So like I said, I gotta get to that. It's like a strainer type filter, type that you see on the water pumps. It's really clogged, so I'm not getting any air in there. So she won't fire up. So I pretty much gotta remove this entire assembly to get there. I believe this. I've never really done it before on this one, but I believe that's what I have to do. That's what it seems like. So that now that I got this, it's already loose. I just gotta take this off. You take these off, and this whole thing will just pick up. But somebody's got to do it. I should have just made all this soft. It's a real pain in the ass, I'll tell you that much, boy. apart. A little dirty in there, not too bad. But what's really dirty is this guy right here. See all that stuff's in there. Now be careful when you pull this assembly out. Make sure you take out the hot surface igniter, because this is what's gonna happen if you don't take it off. I just did it. Well, shit happens, and I have to run and go get another one. Alright, so let me clean that. I'm gonna put it back together, and then we'll see where that takes us. Fucking ass, this stupid shit. I hate this boiler. This boiler really sucks ass. Just to get to anything, you gotta take off the whole damn thing apart. Assembly. Spoiler really sucks ass. So much work to do just to get to one little part. So, I'm just gonna line this up. Okay. On the days that I need the help, they don't give it to me. break now? Where did I break now? Nothing. Project Manos. Manos, 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 Manos. Mama, Miss American Pie. Sad, like I said, I broke the hot surface igniter. I have to go find one. Fuck, man, I just bought the damn thing not too long ago, and she's gone. Honestly, instead of pulling out that base, I should have just cleaned it out with a vacuum. Call it a day, 1, 2, 3. Steve Live, let me know, man. Let me know if I'm doing good or not. BPMs is 23. O2, 4%. Got them fired up, put everything back. Everything is back. What a pain in the ass freaking boiler, I swear to God. They're bringing in fresh air. Makeup, fresh air makeup.